Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Select Refills Test Strips. What is AquaChek Select Refills Test Strips? Ideal for those who have already purchased the AquaChek Select kit and just need additional test strips. A replacement color chart is enclosed with every bottle for insertion in the reusable color comparator. Get 7 important test results in just one dip. Dip an AquaChek Select strip in your pool or spa water for 1 second and remove it immediately. You get test results in seconds. To keep your pool water clean and healthy, test the water at 2 ends or sides of the pool a minimum of twice a week. If used in a spa, we recommend testing it before and after each use. It's also a good idea to write down your results each time you test. Product benefits. Test for total chlorine, total bromine, free chlorine, pH, total alkalinity, total hardness, and cyanuric acid. Stabilizer. 50 strips in bottle. Test results in seconds. No assembly required. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.